What's good, y'all? It's your boy here. As you see, got a little nice fade. Today is Sunday, July 31st, I think. I don't even know the date. But uh decided to take the whole weekend off from lifting any weights. I needed that, so decided to take that off. And I'm going to show y'all the training footage from Friday. I trained the delts and biceps, and I want to show y'all what I'm eating for today. A little bit of a day in the life of eating. Not too much, not too vague, but enjoy the video, guys, and I will see y'all afterwards. So here's my breakfast, guys. Nothing too crazy. Just 4 turkey sausage and a serving. Yes, that's a serving, guys. These pancakes come out really big and fluffy when they're done. But that is probably one and a half servings of the pancake mix. They don't have the Kodiak cakes at my Walmart, so I have to settle for this. So, but I am tracking this. I am using my fitness pal now to track the macros on this, so I will give it to you guys real quick. Hold on. So as you see, the macros on this is 32 grams of carbs, 15 fat, and 25 protein. Yes, I do use a light butter on there, as you see. But yes, guys, I am using my fitness pal to track. I did say I was going to track at 220, but I need to start practicing doing this. Focus. It's not focusing. Anyways, so, but yes, guys, I am tracking so I can get to the habit of practicing. So yes, I'm going to enjoy this. I am cooking breakfast for my kiddos as well. They are having eggs. I'm not a big egg fan with it. Like, I'm not a big egg fan. I've had a very bad experience with eggs in the past, but I may try these eggs to see how I take them. But usually I do cook breakfast when my kids are over here. I have them on weekends, every other weekend. So when they do come over here, I cook them breakfast every single Sunday, and today is no exception. So they're still asleep. So when they wake up, they will have some food, fill their bellies, and they will of course be, as always, happy. So I'm going to enjoy this meal. See you guys in the next meal. Sometimes I brag like home. Sometimes I brag like home. So I'm about to have my last meal of the day, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm having. If you have seen my videos, this should not be anything new to you. So I've already had plenty of carbs and plenty of fats. So I'm going to scale down the fats for this meal. So here is what I'm having. My staple, guys. Broccoli, John sauce, fajita chicken, and some diced potatoes. I'm gonna put a little bit of vegetables in here with a little bit of, and yes, guys, that is a whole stick of blue bonnet light butter. Yes, I do use stick butter sometimes on my food. I don't do it all the time, but all right, guys, so that was my dinner. Simple chicken and vegetables. That is the staple of what I eat, what I've been eating throughout this whole diet cut or whatever. I just want to talk to you guys for a minute before I end this video. And hopefully you guys are watching. I know it's about, it's been a little long video, and I appreciate all you guys that stayed and watched the video. Uh, Anybody that supports me, has reached out to me, I cherish it. This is why I do this. I don't do this for likes and comments and subscriptions and all that stuff. I do it so I can push people like the people before have pushed me to do this. I lost initially when I first started my journey. I didn't even hear about YouTube. Well, I heard about YouTube, but not fitness and YouTube in such a collaboration or such a camaraderie of the fitness community. And I lost 80 pounds without it. Had no knowledge of it. I was just going there, exercising, doing cardio, and dieting. So to do this and to now to push people and motivate people is the true reason why I even make these videos in the first place. There's nothing, like I said before, nothing to do with money or trying to get out there. Of course, if the money comes and I can get myself out there, then of course I embrace it and thank the people that got me out there. But at the same time, I do this to push people and to motivate people like myself who thought there was no way out, that thought there was just no end, you know, that thought there was no answer, like myself. When I weighed 330, I thought that was it, man. That was the end of it all, and I didn't think I was ever going to be able to lose the weight. But it's been a long journey for me. But hey, it's finally coming off. It's not about the length. It's not about the length of the journey. It's about the journey itself and finishing off the journey. Whether it's 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. So long as you finish the journey, you're good. That's just all it is to it. Like I said, guys, sorry, I'm kind of tired, but more videos will come, more different type of videos like this will come. I'll probably vlog a little event this coming weekend, so it should be pretty good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Holla back at you. Peace out.